During the First World War, it is said that the Germans demanded that the corners of the trench be cut at a sharp right angle rather than a rounded fillet, because right-angled trenches are more likely to suppress the transmission of shock waves. Is that true? The Mythbusters tested this out. They dug trenches of 3 shapes with a total length of 15 meters. Then the propagation of shock waves in different trenches was observed. The first experiment will be carried out on the ground, blasting as a control. They will detonate 11 kilograms of TNT. Sensors are placed every 3 meters to collect data. The data from the explosion show that 6 meters from the point of explosion, pressure reached 268.9 kilopascals. The pressure is 82.7 kilopascals at 9 m. It's 15 meters. That figure is down to 34.5 kilopascals. Now the explosion will move to the trench line. What would it be like? The destructive power of the explosion was far beyond imagination. The fireball even reached a height of 10 meters above the ground. Comparing the data from the explosion in the open space, the power range of the explosion has been significantly increased. Instead of having a protective effect, they amplify the shock wave. This is an unexpected result. So different shapes of trenches, does it amplify the shock wave as well? Right-angled trenches are now being tested. The trench fell apart after a loud bang. At the same time, the conclusion is reached. The pressure value is 413 kilopascals at a distance of 6 meters. The pressure value is 131 kilopascals at 9 m. At 15 m, the pressure is only 48 kilopascals left. The pressure value drops sharply during travel. Finally, the fillet trench will be verified. What kind of trench is better for protection? Carefully compare the movement of the fireballs in the 2 trenches. The right-angled trench fireball stopped moving at the first corner, and in the fillet trench, the fireball passed through the first and second corners. Visually speaking, right-angled trenches are better. The final data also bear this out. It is obvious that the pressure value of the fillet trench